Alright, so this is going to be how to find buried treasure in Bedrock, Minecraft. Alright, now before I start, I just want to tell you guys to please like the video if this ends up helping you. It boosts the video's performance and it just helps me in general, and it's super simple, so just please click that like button. And yeah, let's get into it. So what we're going to do is, first of all, is find an ocean. So I found an ocean, and the reason why we're looking for an ocean is because we need to find a shipwreck, and shipwrecks only spawn in oceans, of course. So I've already found an ocean like this, and now what we're going to do is we're going to go below water and look for a shipwreck. And obviously you can see that there's a shipwreck right here. I already found one. But you guys are going to need to spend some time looking for a shipwreck. And in the meantime, what you're going to want to do is go and actually get a pickaxe and a shovel. You're obviously going to bring a shovel for the sand when you actually mine your buried treasure, but you're going to also want to bring a pickaxe in case there's stone, and I'm going to explain that later. Now, if you're having some trouble finding your shipwreck for whatever reason, what you can do is actually go into the chat and type locate shipwreck if you want, and it's going to tell you the coordinates of the nearest shipwreck right there, so that displayed. And now what you're going to want to do is type in those coordinates. So /TP 5160, and now for the Y coordinate, I just like to do 100. So I'm almost guaranteed to not suffocate or whatever. So I'm going to teleport to the shipwreck now, 5160, and then -4776. Enter, and now I'm directly above the shipwreck. So that's just a little trick if you guys want to quickly find a shipwreck. That's kind of useful. And yeah, now that we have our pickaxe and our iron shovel, what we're going to do is we're going to actually go into this shipwreck. So let's go explore. So just look through these rooms. There's nothing. Oh, there is a chest in this. Cool. Let's go look at it. There's some loot in here. You guys can take this loot if you guys want to. I'm not going to take it. I don't need it. As you can see, there's not a treasure map in there. What we're going to look for in this shipwreck is, of course, a chest with a treasure map in it. So we're going to explore all the rooms, and hopefully there is a treasure map. Now, usually I do find my treasure maps inside this weird, like, room with a door. So that's just that, and awesome. So I'm not going to take the other loot. You guys can if you want to. This is just a demonstration video, so I'm not going to. So now from here, what we're going to do is we're going to take out this map. So now, first of all, we need to look at this map. So you see that white dot that's moving around on this map that's spinning around? And that is a marker that tells you where you are on this map. So that white dot is where I am, and that pointy end of the dot is the direction that I'm facing. So currently, I am looking directly at that X. So now from here, I'm just going to go forward because the X, of course, means that there's buried treasure right there. So I'm just going to go forward, and I'm going to use this map to go where this buried treasure is. Now you can see I'm not moving. That means I'm off the grid of the map, and I finally got on there. So this buried treasure is a little bit farther away, but that's okay. So let's just go in this direction right here. Just like that. So what we're going to do once we get to this X is we're going to get directly on top of it. So I'll show you what that means. Just like this. Just like that. So I want to be directly on top of this X just to make sure that I have the highest chance of actually finding this treasure fast. So now we can just remove this map. We don't need it anymore. So I'm directly on top of this X, which is perfect. So now from here, I'm just going to take this shovel and just dig a small hole around me. Now what a lot of people do is they actually dig a giant hole. You do not need a giant hole at all. You only need a small hole, only like a 3x3 hole, the most. And you can see right here, I just found this. Awesome. So that chest is right here, and then I can get all that loot. Just that's how easy it was. And now the reason why we brought this pickaxe is because sometimes what buried treasure does is it actually spawns underneath rocks like this. So what some people do is once they reach rocks, they don't dig underneath it, but they're missing out on treasure because Well, sometimes the buried treasure actually, this chest could have easily spawned underneath a rock like this. And if I didn't dig underneath rocks with my pickaxe, then I wouldn't have found this treasure. So that's why you guys always want to bring a pickaxe whenever you find your buried treasure, because sometimes it can actually help you and it can mean the difference between finding your treasure or not. So yeah, that's that, and hopefully this video helped. If it did, please leave a like, and yeah, see you in the next video.